Hey everyone! If you've spent time setting up devices, shared folders, synchronization rules, and custom settings in Syncthing, exporting your configuration is an important step for backup, migration, and disaster recovery. In this video, I'll show you how to export your Syncthing configuration from start to finish in 2026. First, let's understand what the Syncthing configuration contains. The configuration stores device connections, folder definitions, synchronization settings, versioning preferences, network options, and various system preferences. Before copying any files, consider stopping Syncthing temporarily to ensure that configuration files are not being modified during the export process. After Syncthing is stopped, create a copy of the configuration directory and save it to a secure location. You can store the exported configuration on an external drive, another computer, a secure backup system, or encrypted storage. If you're exporting the configuration for migration purposes, transfer the backup to the destination device where Syncthing will be installed. Another helpful step is documenting device names, folder structures, and synchronization relationships, and that's how to export Syncthing configuration in 2026. By maintaining secure configuration backups, you can simplify migrations, speed up recovery, and protect your synchronization environment from unexpected problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.